Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, October 25, 2024. The National Housing Trust, NHT, will be developing 3,531 housing solutions in St. James over the next few years. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness made the announcement on Wednesday, indicating that these are among 9,837 housing solutions planned for Western Jamaica.
So we have I like to call it a train line of housing developments that are slated for this parish, and they will all happen in very quick time for the people of this parish. And these are not empty promises. These are all projects that are in varying stages of development and will be delivered.
The housing plans for St. James include 86 units at Canterbury and 180 at Comfort under the Community Renewal Project. Both are to begin in 2025 and be ready in 2026. Another 936 units will be delivered as part of the Estuary Phase 2 development, which started in 2019 and is set for completion in March 2026. Under the NHT's Guaranteed Purchase Program, 217 homes are being built at Adelphi and 403 at Brookside Estates in Spot Valley. 1,565 units should be ready by February 2029 in Barrett Hall under the Developers Program. In addition, 144 units are being developed at the Union Acres housing scheme. Prime Minister Holness outlined the extensive housing plans for St. James as he delivered 50 of the Union Acres units on Wednesday. The scheme represents a partnership with the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions and the Jamaica Civil Service Association. One of the beneficiaries, Carl Sterling, expressed gratitude to all stakeholders involved.
Today's occasion symbolizes more than just receiving the keys to our homes. It represents hope, opportunity, and a step towards a brighter future for our families and community, an extension of our nation. We are forever grateful.
Meanwhile, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation is accelerating its land acquisition efforts to facilitate the development of housing schemes and regularize informal settlements across Jamaica. Senior Director in the Land Administration Management Branch, Vincent Haldane, reveals that the ministry plans to conduct surveys for over 800 lots in various schemes over the next 2 years. As part of this, he says more lots are being generated in Seaview, 200 in Spicy Grove, and subdivision surveys are being done for 70 lots at Arakabessa in St. Mary. The primary function of the ministry's Land Administration Management Branch is to acquire lands and distribute titles to improve the living conditions of thousands of citizens. Among its key achievements this year is the completion of subdivision surveys for Seaview Gardens Phase 2, facilitating the splintering of over 300 titles. In Trelawney, surveys were also completed for Vanzi Lands, a large informal settlement enabling over 200 residents to receive titles. Additionally, 60 acres of land in Bottom Pen, St. James have been acquired, where informal settlements cover about 100 acres. Surveys for 90 lots in this area are now underway. The Cornwall Regional Hospital's laboratory has received ISO 15189-2012 certification, accrediting the facility for its medical testing, including hematology, chemistry, immunology, and microbiology. This is a global standard recognition provided through the Jamaica National Agency for Accreditation, JANAC. The accreditation certificate was handed over during a recent ceremony held at the Hilton Rose Hall Resort in Montego Bay.
It's a big thing. This will make sure that patient care is reliable, is accurate, and in line with the best practices worldwide.
Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says the accreditation is a testament to the quality of the hospital's lab service delivery, even while the main building is still under construction and renovation.
We deliver 1.75 million lab tests per year with a robust quality management system, QMS, technical competence, personnel competence, facility and equipment management competence, patient identification and data protection, accurate pre- and post-examination processes, accurate examination process, testing, calibration, and sampling.
Other laboratories in the public and private sectors are urged to seek ISO certification. The Jamaica Fire Brigade is initiating a program to install smoke detectors in several homes across the island. It's part of the brigade's interventions to encourage more Jamaicans to utilize fire safety devices and technologies to protect their property and lives. It comes against the background of statistics showing that since the start of the year, Jamaica has recorded 21 fire-related deaths, which could have been prevented. Installation of the smoke detectors is expected to begin this weekend.
These detectors can detect and give us warning of a change in the protected environment. During a fire situation, every second counts. Early warning can prevent loss of life or damage to properties. And we believe when you integrate these smart devices with our existing technologies like our security camera system, and that sends warning or notification to our phones, we can save lives and protect property.
The announcement was made during Wednesday's media launch of Fire and Life Safety Awareness Week, which is being observed this year under the theme, Embracing Digital Innovation to Improve Fire Safety. Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Desmond McKenzie, also used the function to reveal that smart technology devices would be installed in 3 infirmaries across the island.
Our infirmaries carry close to 2,500 residents, and they are probably one of the most vulnerable in the society. So I believe safety will, or should and will start there first.
And finally, the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, will be using this year's Corrections Week activities to highlight the need for greater collaboration, inclusivity, and agility in delivering on its mandate. Corrections Week will be observed from October 27 to November 2 under the theme, Shifting Organizational Culture to Foster Greater Collaboration, Inclusivity, and Agility. Commissioner of Corrections, Brigadier Raj Mason, says the week-long celebration will highlight the core functions of the department with its programs that are geared towards rehabilitation and reintegration.
The public will be able to learn and understand the art and science of correctional management.
Highlights of the week's activities include Custodial Day on October 28, when the DCS officers will interact primarily with inmates, followed by Rehabilitation Day, when they plan to interact with community members and repair the Spanish Town Infant School. On October 30, the Correctional Services will host a Sports Day at Stadium East. An awards ceremony will be held at the Pegasus Hotel on November 1, and to conclude the week's activities, an expo is planned for the National Indoor Sports Center on Saturday, November 2. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.